Want faster growth and stronger immunity in your prawn and fish? Nature Food is a premium blend of pure spirulina and beneficial herbs designed to support healthy growth, strong immunity, and better survival. Packed with high biological value protein, Nature Food helps aquatic animals grow faster, stay active, and resist disease outbreaks naturally. From the trusted innovation of AABT Group, powerful growth promoter, strong immunity booster, helps prevent disease outbreaks. Rich in high biological value protein, supports healthy and active prawn and fish, improves overall farm performance.